On Android, low RAM can make your phone feel slow and laggy. In this quick guide, you'll see simple settings you can change to free up memory fast. First, let's quickly check your memory usage so you know what's going on behind the scenes. On your Android, open Settings, then scroll down and tap About Phone or About Device. Next, tap Software Information or Build Number and look for any note about memory or RAM on this screen. Some phones also show RAM directly under Storage or Device Care in Settings. Either way, just confirm how much RAM you have and how much is used. Once you know your RAM situation, let's reduce Android OS usage step by step. Step 1. Close and limit background apps. Go to Settings, then Apps or App Management. Tap on apps you rarely use and hit Force Stop to close them, then disable if you don't need them running at all. Step 2. Turn off Auto Start or background activity. In the same app screen, look for battery or background usage and switch it to restricted. Step 3. Remove heavy widgets and live wallpapers. Long press your home screen, tap Wallpapers and Style or Widgets, and delete what you don't need. Step 4. Use built-in memory tools. In Settings, open Device Care, Device Maintenance, or Battery and Device Care, then tap Memory or RAM and run Optimize. Finally, restart your phone to refresh the system. After reboot, your Android OS should use less RAM and feel smoother every day.